welcome to A Toy a Day. It is me, Nickel the Pickle, opening up more toys. I've opened a few of these. They're pretty cool. Haven't opened one on the channel yet, so I figured I'd save this last one for the show. Don't know what it's called. Not a lot of English on here. But so far, I've gotten the dumpling one, the little maid one. I think Kayla got the secret one. I want one with the little goose. I want the goose guy down here. I'm trying to be really careful with the little serrated part up here, because it just has those little foods on it. And I'm going to tape it to my water bottle. I always forget. I end up ripping it. Alright, let's see which one we're going to get here. I don't recognize this one. Ooh, it's like a hamburger sandwich. And one cool thing about these is they're magnetic. And there we have it. So the whole thing is, it's like a cat running. When it's running so fast, the food's all slippy slidey. Like the secret one is a cup of noodles knocked over, and this one is like dumplings that like slide around. Name 31. Very cool car. Look, he's in the office. Got a little computer over here running around with the sandwich. Just like that, it goes down. Little armpit hair swirls. You got big old cat paws over here. It's just a white and orange cat. Look, it's sweating. The cat's sweating. It's working hard because it ain't a small cat. It's a thick boy. It's a thick. Hey, their bodies move. Never noticed that before. Jesus, it's so early in the morning. I didn't mean to do that. There we go. Let's put the sandwich on there. Sandwich looks pretty nice. I'd eat that sandwich. Look, the bread's all fucking topsy-turvy. Run, Mr. Cat. Run. Let's hit it with the black light and see what's going on. Hey, not too shabby. The sandwich. Look at that. I'd eat that fluorescent thing. And then let's look at the cat here. Its little face shines. Its little feet shine. Yeah, very nice. Very cool toy for today. And that's going to do it. So remember, a toy a day keeps boredom away. I'll see ya tomorrow.